What if the most exciting machines today aren't just full-sized vehicles, but compact powerhouses you can control with your hands? From desert racers that eat rough terrain to flying machines that fit in your pocket, these gadgets are built to deliver pure adrenaline. I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech. Today's lineup is all about speed, control, and next-level fun. Let's jump right in. Have you ever dreamed of tearing across the desert with unstoppable speed? The Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer is built exactly for that fantasy. It's not just an RC car, it's a beast modeled after real desert racing trucks, with suspension that soaks up bumps like a pro and tires that grip like claws. It feels like you're commanding a full-scale racer in miniature form. Imagine setting it loose on rough terrain, watching it glide over rocks and sand, and hearing the roar of its motor echo like a real desert rally. It's the kind of gadget that makes you forget it's just a model. It feels alive. And here's the kicker. It's not only about speed, it's about endurance. This machine is designed to keep going even when the terrain gets brutal. Whether you're racing with friends or just enjoying the thrill solo, the Desert Racer delivers a rush that feels endless. Now, let's switch gears. What if you could bring Formula One excitement right to your driveway? The RC Formula Car does exactly that. Sleek, aerodynamic, and lightning fast, it's designed to mimic the thrill of professional racing. Picture yourself lining it up on smooth pavement, hearing the whine of its motor, and watching it dart forward like a bullet. It's perfect for anyone who's ever imagined being behind the wheel of a race car, but instead, you get to control it from the sidelines. And the best part? You can challenge friends to mini Grand Prix races and feel the adrenaline without leaving your neighborhood. The RC Formula Car isn't just about speed, it's about precision. Its steering is sharp, its handling is smooth, and every curve feels like you're navigating a real racetrack. It's a gadget that transforms any ordinary street into your personal Monaco circuit. Speaking of adrenaline, have you ever wanted to see the world from above without spending thousands on a professional drone? The 4K mini drone is a pocket-sized marvel that lets you capture stunning aerial footage. It's small enough to fit in your backpack, yet powerful enough to shoot crisp 4K video. Imagine taking it on a hike, launching it into the sky, and recording breathtaking views of mountains, rivers, or even your city skyline. It's like having a flying camera crew at your fingertips. And because it's compact, it's perfect for spontaneous adventures. You never know when you'll want to capture the world from a bird's eye view. Plus, it's beginner-friendly. Even if you've never flown a drone before, the controls are intuitive, making it easy to learn. The 4K mini drone is proof that big experiences can come in small packages. But maybe you're more into rugged military-style machines. The Bullet Tank Car is a gadget that looks like it rolled straight out of an action movie. With its armored design and tank-like build, it's made to conquer obstacles that would stop ordinary RC cars. Picture it climbing over rocks, smashing through dirt trails, and powering through terrain that feels impossible. It's not just about speed, it's about dominance. This is the kind of RC car that makes you feel like a commander, sending your machine into battle against the elements. And here's the fun part. It's not only tough, it's versatile. Whether you're indoors, outdoors, or testing it on uneven surfaces, the Bullet Tank Car adapts. It's a gadget that thrives on challenges, and the more you push it, the more impressive it becomes. And speaking of birds of prey, how about an RC Eagle? Yes, a bionic eagle that actually flies. This gadget is pure spectacle. It spreads its wings, flaps like a real bird, and soars through the air with uncanny realism. Imagine taking it to a park and watching people's jaws drop as they see what looks like a real eagle gliding overhead. It's not just fun, it's mesmerizing. The RC Eagle is perfect for anyone who loves the idea of blending nature with technology, creating a flying companion that feels almost alive. And beyond the wow factor, it's surprisingly calming.
Watching it soar gracefully through the sky feels like a moment of peace, a reminder of how incredible flight really is. Now, let's bring some luxury into the mix. The Lamborghini Performante ride-on car is every kid's dream, and let's be honest, every adult's guilty pleasure too. Styled after the iconic Lamborghini, this ride-on car lets kids experience the thrill of driving a supercar. With realistic details, working lights, and even sound effects, it's more than a toy, it's a statement. Imagine gifting this to a child and watching their face light up as they cruise down the driveway in their very own Lamborghini. It's playful, stylish, and unforgettable. And here's the twist, it's not just for fun, it's also a learning experience. Kids get to practice coordination, steering, and even a sense of independence, all while feeling like they're behind the wheel of a luxury car. But what if you want something that can handle both land and water? Enter the Hydrocar. This gadget is like a transformer. It speeds across pavement, then dives into water without missing a beat. Imagine racing it down the street, then steering it straight into a pond where it glides like a speedboat. It's the ultimate crossover machine, perfect for anyone who loves versatility. With the Hydrocar, you're not limited to one environment, you get to dominate both. And the thrill of switching from land to water is unmatched. It's like having two gadgets in one, doubling the fun and doubling the adventure.
And for those who love heavy machinery, the JCB Excavator is a jaw-dropping replica of real construction equipment. It doesn't just look the part, it actually digs, scoops, and moves dirt like a miniature excavator. Imagine setting up a sandbox construction site and watching this machine go to work. It's not just fun, it's oddly satisfying, like having your own personal construction crew in RC form. Perfect for hobbyists, kids, or anyone who loves the idea of operating heavy machinery without the license. And here's the bonus, it's educational. Kids can learn about how real excavators work, while adults can enjoy the sheer novelty of controlling a machine that feels authentic. Now let's talk about raw power. The Redcat Kaiju EXT monster truck is built to crush anything in its path. With oversized tires, insane suspension, and a motor that delivers pure torque, it's the definition of an RC monster. Picture it leaping off ramps, smashing through obstacles, and landing with a thud that makes you feel the impact. It's not just about driving, it's about unleashing chaos in the most fun way possible. If you've ever wanted to feel unstoppable, this truck delivers. And the best part? It's built tough. Even after wild stunts and rough landings, the Kaiju EXT keeps going, proving it's as durable as it is powerful. But maybe you're into tricks and stunts. The RC Stunt Car is designed for flips, spins, and jaw-dropping maneuvers. It's the kind of gadget that never gets boring. You can send it tumbling across the floor, flipping in midair, and landing perfectly on its wheels. Imagine the laughter and excitement as you challenge friends to pull off the craziest stunts. It's playful, unpredictable, and endlessly entertaining. And because it's compact, you can use it indoors or outdoors, making it the perfect gadget for spontaneous fun. For those who love adventure, the Traxxas TRX-4 Land Rover Defender is a masterpiece. Modeled after the legendary Land Rover, this RC car is built for exploration. With rugged tires, realistic details, and the ability to crawl over rocks and trails, it's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Imagine taking it on a camping trip, setting it loose on rough terrain, and watching it conquer paths that feel impossible. It's not just an RC car, it's a miniature expedition vehicle. And here's the charm, it's not only about performance, it's about authenticity. The TRX-4 looks so realistic that it feels like you're commanding a scaled-down version of the real Defender.
And finally, the RC Tank Car. This gadget combines the thrill of a car with the might of a tank. With tracks instead of wheels, it powers through terrain like a military machine. Imagine steering it across mud, gravel, or even snow. It doesn't stop. It's built for resilience, getting you the satisfaction of commanding a tank without the seriousness of battle. It's playful, powerful, and unforgettable. And because it's so unique, it stands out in any collection. The RC Tank Car is proof that sometimes the most fun comes from the most unexpected designs. So, which gadget amazed you the most? Was it the Desert Racer, the Flying Eagle, or maybe the Hydrocar that conquers both land and water? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to Miraz Tech for more incredible gadgets.